Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app data on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So to clear app data on Chromecast, you need to identify the app. So for instance, if I want to clear app data for I'm just going to use an example here. Let's just say Tubi. I want to clear app data for Tubi. I'm going to quick settings, all settings. And I'm using Tubi just as an example. So come over to apps, then go to see all apps, find the application you're looking for. In this case, we're going to use Tubi as an example. So if I click on Tubi, I have the ability to clear 13.99 megabytes of data. So click on clear data, and you're told that all the app's data will be deleted permanently. All file settings, all files, accounts, databases, etc. So if you have logged into Tubi, you find out that by the time you go back to the app after clearing the data, you will be logged out. Just click on OK, and you can see app data has been cleared, catches at 0. Now that's how you do it. Apply the same process to any other app and you have the data cleared. So if you found that useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video.